Oh, look at that. Have a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Piping hot, really, really hot actually. Let's have a go. That is divine. Perfectly cooked, lovely, fantastic chicken, but really hot. So we're gonna do some fried chicken today. I'm gonna do a boil and fry method, meaning we're gonna boil it up first with some aromatics, get some lovely flavor in there, take it out of the water, season it with a lovely seasoned flour and fry it. It's delicious, it's simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're gonna go for a boil and fry method today. In there, I've got 4 chicken legs. You could be using different parts if you want. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop in some salt into the water, and then we're gonna add some aromatics. I'm gonna go with a teaspoon of turmeric, a couple of bay leaves, a couple of green cardamoms, nice big piece of cinnamon there, and then a lime. Just gonna give that a squeeze, and then we can drop the whole thing in. And you can use different, you know, spices, up to you what you want to put in. And why am I doing this? Okay, 2 reasons. One, it's really nice and easy to fry once you've fried it. You ensure that it's cooked all the way through. And secondly, we're going to pump some lovely flavors into it. So I'm going to light that, get it on the go. Once it reaches boiling point, I'm going to let it go for about 5 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. That's been boiling away, pumping loads of flavor into that chicken. As you can see, a nice bit of color on it from the turmeric. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the chicken, set it aside, discard everything else. Okay, so there's our chicken. Just want to let it cool down, give it like sort of 10-15 minutes, let it cool down a little bit. So let's get some seasoned flour together. I've got 4 tablespoons there of a wheat plain flour. You could use corn starch if you want, or corn flour, which is the same thing, by the way. And then we've got a teaspoon each of the following: salt and pepper, allspice, or pimento, it's sometimes called, garlic powder, coriander, chili powder, and paprika. Now I've got quite a spicy paprika there, so that's going to be fairly spicy. Always be careful with paprika. It usually comes in 3 types: smoked, absolutely delicious, that would work wonders in here; sweet, and hot. The hot one is usually like chili. I'm kind of going for a double there. So simply we're going to give that a little mix and get some seasoned flour ready. Little mix up, job done. And you can really sort of change the spices. You don't have to use the same ones that I have. You can really sort of muck about with them, and the quantities as well. Play around with them. So nothing to it now. We're just going to grab some chicken and we're going to flour it. That's it. Very, very simple. Make sure you give it a nice pat and see if you can get all the areas done. Then very simply, we're going to get over to the cooker and we're going to fry this off. Delicious stuff. Really simple, really delicious. So I've got there about 2 centimeters of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today. Let's just grab a piece of chicken and put it in. And we're going to go for just about 4 minutes on each side. Like I say, because we've boiled it, we've ensured it's going to cook beautifully. So the oil seems really hot when you put it in, but you know it will cool down as the chicken is in there, so you don't want it raging hot. Okay, job done. So off goes the heat. I'm going to take that chicken out, put it onto some kitchen towel, just drain any excess oil from it, but it's beautiful, beautifully cooked all the way through with some lovely flavors in there, and of course the lovely seasoning on the outside. And there you have it, everyone. Beautiful, crispy on the outside, delicious on the inside, spiced, beautiful fried chicken. Hope you enjoyed that. Please take time to leave me a comment. I do like to hear from you. I do actually read all of your comments. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.